Hi and welcome back to Solar, and thank you for joining me on this fluid art journey. Today I am going to be doing a ribbon pour. I have chosen warm colours, yellow, orange, a bronze with a hint of gold in it, and my base is going to be white, which I'll be pouring the paint over. I've chosen these colours because I actually wanted to bring the warmth back. We are in winter in Australia and it's quite chilly. So to find out how this painting turns out, stay tuned. Let's get pouring and make a creation as unique as you. Right, I'm going to start by laying my colours first. Let's go with, start with them. So this is a metallic yellow. Might go with the bright orange. Don't want the two metallic colours together. My base on. These bubbles. It sounds like my torch is nearly at its end. Right. So I'll turn this around. And I'm going to pinch it just at the top there. going to tilt. Wasn't expecting that. More like a dirty pour, that one. It's not quite how I thought it turned out, and I think that's because I've used a different base mixture to the actual paint mixture. But that's okay. Interesting to see how it dries. Well, here is the dry result of my ribbon pour. What do you think? It didn't turn out the way I thought it would. I actually tilted it a bit more when I turned the camera off because I wasn't happy with some of the cells and that had come out, so I just stretched it a little bit more. Is this a fail or not? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching. God bless and see you in the next one.